my billable practice. If it's billable and the client will pay me to do it, I probably need to be doing it. But there are a lot of things in my practice that aren't billable. There's a lot of administrative things that have to be handled that maybe there's a good bit of that I can hand off to somebody else that I've hired, that I trust, that they do a good job, and that's why I hired them. And so I need to give that to them to do. Or there may be work that has to be done, and it's billable, but it doesn't have to be done by me because it's not a high enough level work that it requires my time. And I can give that to an associate or a paralegal or whoever. And so one of the things I talk about in the book is having a mindset of not scarcity, but of openness. And now I'm totally drawing a blank on what the word is that I'm looking for. That's the opposite of scarcity. An abundance mindset.
Abundance.
Struggling there. Yeah.
I was going to say plentiful.
Yeah. Well, same thing, but
yeah, I was just trying to help. Sorry.
No, that was perfect. All right. So having an abundance mindset, and in the core of the idea is there's always more where that came from. And there's a lot of lawyers out there who don't want to hand out work to other people because they feel like, what if I don't get any more? And I need to hold this all close to my chest, and they're not willing to share their relationships with clients or their workloads or whatever. And so they're actually hurting themselves in the long run because they could be taking on more work and being more profitable by including other people in their processes. And so when you asked about what can law firms and lawyers be doing to be more successful in the long run, a part of that is hiring people that you trust and then giving them the work to do so that you give yourself more opportunity to focus on the business side of things and an opportunity to grow your practice beyond just sustainable for one person or two people, but to include lots of people and have some, law is really difficult to scale and it's not built that way, but you can do it if you do it intentionally and surround yourself with good people and trust them to do the work that you hire them to do.